Qonto has firmly positioned itself as one of the leading online business banking platforms in 2025. Designed for freelancers, startups, and SMEs, it offers a clean, intuitive interface combined with powerful financial tools that traditional banks often lack. Qonto simplifies business banking by providing a fully digital experience, which means no more wasting time visiting branches or dealing with piles of paperwork. Everything, from opening an account to managing transactions, can be done seamlessly through their website or mobile app. One of Qonto's strongest features is its transparency in pricing. Accounts start from $10 per month for solo entrepreneurs, while small teams and businesses can access plans ranging from $30 to $70 per month, depending on the features required. Each plan includes a dedicated IBAN, unlimited incoming and outgoing transfers within the SEPA zone, and the ability to issue physical or virtual cards. Qonto also integrates expense management tools directly into the platform, allowing users to track spending, categorize expenses, and generate accounting-ready reports. The platform offers multiple card options, including corporate cards with individual limits for team members. This feature ensures smooth expense tracking and eliminates the need for cumbersome reimbursements. Cards are compatible with Apple Pay and Google Pay, and users can freeze, unfreeze, or replace cards instantly from the app. Customer support is another area where Qonto shines. The platform provides responsive support via chat and email during business hours, ensuring that any issue can be resolved quickly. Users consistently highlight the helpfulness and professionalism of Qonto's support team, which adds significant value compared to traditional banking experiences. Qonto's ecosystem also integrates with popular accounting and invoicing tools, including QuickBooks, Xero, and Facture.net. This integration automates bookkeeping processes and reduces the risk of human error, saving businesses both time and money. In terms of security, Qonto is fully regulated under French banking laws and employs advanced encryption protocols to protect user data and transactions. This combination of user-friendly design, robust financial tools, transparent pricing, and secure operations makes Qonto a top choice for businesses in 2025 looking to streamline their banking. For entrepreneurs and growing businesses that value efficiency, simplicity, and financial control, Qonto remains one of the most reliable digital banking solutions available today.